Hey guys, this is Joe with yearoflinux.com. Okay guys, so this is called Linux Mint. Um, it has some really cool features um, that I like. The first is the start bar. It's not actually called the start, it's called the menu, but it's where you start, so I've been calling it the start bar. Um, it also comes with some cool stuff. First of all, you can install multimedia codecs, which will allow you to play DVDs on the device, like Tron. I was playing that earlier. Um, some other cool stuff is well, VLC. I've already actually I've actually already downloaded a couple of things. The first is I can't live without my Google Chrome, so I have Google Chrome on there, and that's one of the things I installed. I'm not sure exactly how much stuff I've installed already. Most of it was related to sound and video, though. GNOME MPlayer was not there. Desktop Recorder, of course, wasn't there. Pulse Audio was. I think VLC Design and DVD Rip wasn't there. But, yeah. So, by the way, that was coming from DVD Rip. I'm ripping a DVD I have called Tron. I'm just seeing if it works. But for right now, as long as you own the DVD, it's fine to rip it onto your computer. If you no longer own that DVD, though, then you should definitely get rid of it. Because it's kind of rude and disrespectful to those people who did it. So, you know, it's kind of annoying for them. So, yeah. So, go ahead and X. Oh, wait. Cancel. Okay. But anyway, now I have to start over. No, Google Chrome is great on this. It runs everything a lot faster than it did in on Elementary. It runs a lot quicker. Everything is just a click away. You can really quickly get around to everything. You can start typing like desktop settings and it'll come up. It's very, very fast. The cool thing about this, as opposed to a KDE Kubuntu interface, is that it has this desktop right here. The cool thing about the KDE, though, is because it has fences around. But I'm not going to do that right now. But right now, actually, one of my tests is to see if it'll connect to my game system, the Xbox. And this one has passed. Wire connection 1. How you do that is pretty much go into VPN connections, configure VPN. You go into wired. You can add a connection, call it whatever you want. I'll just name my new one Xbox. You take from the AutoEtho, take this, copy it, then you won't need that anymore. You just paste it right there and switch that to shared to other computers. Press apply, press close, and now it is able to be used. If you disconnect that, which it'll be able to be used in a couple minutes. But yeah, you see it connects, and it'll connect to your system, and it'll let you do stuff on that. Do online when your system doesn't have Wi-Fi. So this is good for an old Xbox 360 or a PS2 or just an old computer that you refuse to get rid of, such as a Windows 95. But it comes with quite a few things on here. This seems a lot like the Kubuntu interface, though I looked on the site, it claims it has both. It's like Kubuntu over GNOME. If you want, you can actually go into preferences, appearance, and you can pick different themes. There's a lot of different backgrounds that are Linux Mint, or you can even add a background by going here and finding one in your desk, in your thing. Visual effects, I like having the wobbly windows, so I set it to extra, you know. So that's pretty much it. It's a very basic system. Not much to do. I'll get you some tutorials on how to set it up just a little bit later, though. So, yeah. This is Joe for Year of Linux. Signed out.